Hi everyone. This week is all about developing a research topic, and the module is going to take you through the process of getting background information about your topic, narrowing it down or broadening it if you need to, using sites like Wikipedia to help you come up with ideas for your topic and concepts that you might use to narrow it down. And then I really want you to pay attention to the page on refining a research topic or revising it. There is a video that you're going to be asked to watch. I really like the video. It helps us to understand that choosing a research topic is a little bit more challenging sometimes than we initially think, and you have to build it into your research process. And it's going to show you how the research process is not linear, it's not a straight line, but instead it's kind of cyclical and it can be messy. And you might pick your topic, do a little bit of research, realize that you have to revise your topic, and then go back and research more, and then maybe you even have to tweak it one more time based on what you're finding. And that's perfectly fine, and it's to be expected. So let me show you a really quick example. I wanted to show you, for example, if I was going to do some research on plastic pollution. So pollution in the oceans, but specifically about all the plastic that is going into our oceans. I might search Google for plastic pollution, Wikipedia. And you'll learn about this in the module, but basically I'm going to go to Wikipedia. Here it is. I can see this is the Wikipedia page for plastic pollution, which is my idea for a research topic. And then I'm going to scroll down in this Wikipedia article and look at the table of contents. And this helps me to think of some concepts that I might be interested in researching. Now you'll see there's a lot of information in this Wikipedia article. And what this tells me is that I really cannot write a short paper about plastic pollution. It's just too big of a topic. I need to narrow it down. So let me look and see what's in the table of contents and see what, strikes me. What is interesting here? So I might look, oh, interesting, effects on the environment as a cause of climate change. That would be an interesting research topic to narrow it down a little bit. Effects on animals, like birds or marine animals. That is a narrowed topic that I might use. So I'm just kind of borrowing the ideas here. Effects on humans. Maybe even, I kind of like this last one, creating awareness. That is something that kind of calls out to me because I have a good friend who creates awareness about plastic pollution by making art. So that's how I would connect. This is her art right here, Glenda Mahoney. She makes these beautiful art pieces out of plastic that she found in the ocean. So she's a local artist and she makes these pieces. So that's a personal connection, right, that I have to that topic. So that's maybe something I would choose. So think about that process for you. What does it look like for you to choose a topic, to narrow it down, and then to find something that you connect with in some way? All right, have fun this week. Bye.